enable India's textile SMEs to be a part of the India's decarbonization story? Should we merely be there as bystanders or as collaborators or drivers of competitiveness and sustainability? And I believe the answer I believe is pretty obvious. Well, the platform like this, I believe, are quite critical as they help us move from dialogue to delivery, from dialogue to design, to essentially facilitate cooperation and collaboration, which is of paramount importance, basically, to accelerate the transition. Well, you all know that India has emerged as a major supplier of clothing for various international brands and retailers. But this distinction brings with enormous amount of responsibility, I would say, to manage the detrimental impact that the fashion industry can bring on account of being one of the most resource-intensive industry. When you see the textile and clothing industry, as we know, is second biggest polluting industry, accounting for approximately 10% of global carbon emission, and it's a common knowledge. But the world, we know, is slowly but surely moving towards decarbonization. Ethical sourcing and responsible clothing are the new normal. So for us in the textile sector, sustainability is fast becoming a market access lever. And SMEs should not view this as a mere compliance burden. Rather, it's a business imperative, a business opportunity to differentiate, upgrade, and gain a competitive edge over its peers. Decarbonization actually is not just about meeting regulations. It's about staying relevant. It is about staying relevant in the evolving global market landscape. It unlocks business value, and when viewed from a growth strategy, I think it reduces energy consumption, cost, water cost, waste cost, improves productivity, opens access to premium buyers and new export markets, attracts green finance and ECG investments, and basically, improve the reputational value